This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Add 2 blocks to finish this puzzle. Okay, so they have 5 blocks now, and it's out of 7. I just want to watch it carefully. Step. Got it. Go east. Pick corn. Go east. Pick corn. Okay, and now what? Well, where's our next step? It looks like we need to go down. Okay, let's test this out. Yep, and a yep, and a down. And now that we are there, let's not forget, let's pick corn. That looks good. This should be one solution. Notice we're using 7 out of 7 blocks. Once we try this out, I'm going to show you a shortcut way. Boom, go south, pick corn. Woohoo! Alright, and let's show you the other way. So, we have our repeat block here. Notice, in part of the code, we are repeating ourselves. This isn't, this is original, but east, pick corn. East, pick corn. Well, instead of writing all that, I can change my repeat block to a 2. I can get rid of these 2 and drop this in here. Because now, it's going to do the same thing as it did before. It's going to twice go east and pick corn. We just only have it once. Because everything in this repeat block will get repeated. East, pick corn, right? And let's go ahead and attach these other blocks, because when it finishes a repeat block, it can run any code beneath it. So it will run all of this once, twice, and then drop below and run this. Right now, we only have 6 blocks in use, as opposed to 7. So now we can do the same thing with just 6 blocks of code. Awesome. Onward.